Hey everybody, Lou here. Today we're here to talk about the Craftsman 6.5-inch cordless circular saw. Okay. Now, it's just what you seen earlier. It's just a few of the small jobs is what this tool here does around my shop. Now, what I like about it is number one, it's cordless. Okay. Two, you can take it anywhere, okay? I have, on site, off site, I can go outside, I can do stuff. But what I do like about this right here is it's not real heavy, okay? My old one I have, okay? That one there is like a brick. This one here, I like it because it's got a battery, and plus it'll tell you exactly how much charge it's got. Now, this one also comes with the safety lockout right here. Okay, you will now pull on the trigger right there. It won't do nothing until you push that forward. And now you can pull it in. But the neat thing is, it's on both sides. So either you can do it right-handed or left-handed. Okay? That's what I like. Now, is what Craftsman has done in this, and if that you notice right here on the saw guard itself, there's these little marks right here. Well, that is now depth measurements. And I can tell you they're within about 1/16 of an inch. Okay? Because I really don't have to estimate or nothing. They're roughly in spec. Okay? Now, the blade is what comes with the kit. You can use it, but I actually swapped it out because when I bought this saw right here, I actually bought a new blade for it because it's a good starter blade, okay? But I like to do rip cuts and cross cuts with it. I love doing it. Now, this deck right here, on here, is pretty well thick. It's got to be at least 12 gauge steel. At least. It's real rigid, and like right across here, if like you work it, it really don't give that much. And I have noticed is just that these little indentation marks right here is just what give you all of the angles. They are pretty well dead on the money, because when I put it up against it as a square, when it says 0, it is actually 0 now here. And they actually give you, it is a big enough knob right here. It's just where you can turn it. Okay, some of them give you that little like one-hand key deal right there, and those right there, or this thing here is so doggone small. This one here, and plus it's rubber grip on there. It's very soft on your hands. Now, the height adjustment on it here is what I like. Okay, I like this height adjustment. Call me crazy, I like it, but it doesn't take much effort to lock it. Okay, now you push up, it's unlocked. You see how easy that thing goes. Now, when you get it up to where you need it, you just pull it down and it locks. Go anywhere. Yeah. But it doesn't take much force to lock it down. Some of them you have to like readjust them, you have to keep pushing down on it and keep doing it. But this one here, every time I've set my height, I mean, it's been dead on. Okay, now they give you a little lug hole here. Only if you can see it right there. This little lug hole right here. This is for your little tool. And this tool here, it'll do everything to it. There is, okay, there is like a flat blade there. There is a hex. And the hex fits your bolt right here. Is just to take out your blade. Now, all you got to do on this one here is make sure that the battery, it is out. Okay? You take this right here, push on this little button right here. That little button right there, push on it with your Allen wrench special tool in it, and turn it until it clicks. Okay, now that blade is locked in place. It ain't turning. Okay, it's locked. Now it's here. Now it's loose. Now it's tight. Okay, now, and then once you're done, you can put it to bed now. Now, when it comes to the batteries, I will be honest about this here. When I purchased this one here, I actually purchased it without, okay, without the battery, because as you can see, I've got a bunch of them already, okay, but I already had tools. I already had, now it is like 3 of these just sitting around here, but I would opt to get the higher power one, because now, don't get me wrong, this battery here, it works, okay, but it could go longer. So that isn't the tool's fault, that's my fault, because I should have actually I should have sprang for like the other battery, but I didn't. Now, what I do like about it is this right here. You ever notice on like some tools, as soon as that battery starts getting weak, you start getting that draw feeling, okay? It doesn't want to cut as good. It seems something like it's lagging. Well, this one here, I have noticed, because I have cut a lot of sheet goods with it, okay? I mean a lot of sheet goods. And when I do, this battery doesn't like lag down, okay? It is staying strong, and then it'll quit working, okay? Once I now pick it up and basically hit that switch right there, and it does like that right there. Generally, I can push on that right there, and then it'll say it is like 1 bar. I know then, hey, it's dead. What drives me nuts is using a tool is when the battery, it is getting weak, and all of a sudden it won't cut that well because it isn't spinning that blade fast enough. This one here keeps going strong until it doesn't have enough power, and then it won't work. That's one great thing about it. But this over here is lightweight. It handles good. I like this grip right here. And they actually follow the grip all the way around. Okay, it starts from here, goes all the way down. Okay, so you have enough grip surface. And I work indoors, outdoors, out in the woods with it, on sites. It works for me. Would I recommend this tool? Yes, I would. I would recommend it to anybody, because this has been a valuable tool. Now, I've had this thing over 6 months now, and I have used fire out of it, okay? I have worked with it. The only gripe that I got is not the tool's fault, it's my fault. I need to get a bigger battery for it. That's it, okay? That's my fault. Nothing to do with this tool. But if you are looking to now go cordless, my own opinion, you cannot go wrong with this tool, okay? The Craftsman 6.5-inch cordless circular saw. All right, y'all. But if there's anything is that I didn't cover about this saw here, now hit me up, comment on it, ask me about it. I will answer it for you, okay? As you can see, I have a lot of Craftsman tools. I've got bunches of Craftsman tools. Now, some of these are newer, okay? Because in my shop, the only ones I don't have with a Craftsman is this drill press and this bandsaw here. The only reason why, because I couldn't find any, because my old ones got stolen, okay? And they were a Craftsman. But if Craftsman comes out with it is a bandsaw, you will bet yourself I will buy one, okay? Would I recommend this here to you? Yes, I would, okay? 100%. I know there is going to be some lifeblooders out there that like the other brands and stuff, you know, but look, this is my own opinion. This is not a paid endorsement. Craftsman isn't paying me, and they aren't sponsoring me. But if Craftsman ever wants to sponsor me, just, hey, you know where to find me. I've seen unboxing videos, tons of them, but I've not seen a full review of this right here, okay? That's why I do not like to do a unboxing video, because it's just not, I want to know how long have you had it, how long have you used it, and has it failed any on you? And I can tell you right now, I've had it over 6 months and it's never let me down, okay? Because I've always loved Craftsman tools. All right. So y'all, like I always say, be nice to one another, because you never know is when you're humbling one of God's angels. So until next time, y'all. I'm sorry. Please like, subscribe, and share this right here, and comment and thumbs me up. Come on, man, please. HBO, man, HBO. Help a brother out, okay? So y'all, until next time, peace out. God bless. And I love you.